While our backpacks can be stuffed with all manner of things depending on whether we're heading on a multi-country, multi-season adventure, or simply exploring a new city for a few days, there are some things we absolutely always grab from the travel drawer. These are our everyday necessities, basics used day in, day out on any trip. Wherever you're going, for however long, these are the 10 important things you need to bring when traveling. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. Travel wallet. Using a travel wallet, or even just a small plastic envelope to organize all your travel documents is highly advisable. In case anything happens, having photocopies of all your documents in one place is a lifesaver. Having a written copy of the address you are going to also comes in handy. Sometimes, immigration officers ask for this before entering the country. In case you run out of battery on your phone, this will save you from the awkward it's somewhere in here moment. 2. Medications. This is another thing that I have learned from experience. Always carry a small med kit with you which has your essential travel medications. I once had a severe allergy attack in the middle of a long flight from New York to China. The kicker? All my medication were conveniently located in my main backpack, which was checked in the flight. The result? 15 agonizing hours with nothing but an ice pack for my swelling ear. Always pack a small medicine kit with the basics. Headache and allergy medicine plus the other prescription medicine that you might need. In case your luggage gets lost, it is best to have those in hand. 3. Roll-up bag with spare clothes. My mom always used to tell me to pack a change of clothes, underwear included, in our carry-ons. I never believed her and thought it was one of those mom things. Lo and behold, my backpack didn't make it to Spain during a local flight and somehow ended up in Greece. The lesson of the story? Always do and trust what your mom says. Another tip to keep in mind is to pack spare clothes that will be based on where you are going. If you're flying to Norway, there is no point in packing a spare tank top and shorts. I also always bring a travel scarf in case the flight is a bit chilly. 4. Pen and paper. So simple, yet so easy to forget. A good old-fashioned pen and notebook are incredibly handy travel essentials. You don't want to be that person waiting in line to use the one pen at the customs booth, or have to ask around your fellow passengers when it's time to fill in the landing card. Having a wee notebook to quickly jot down a phone number, address, or useful bit of info makes life a lot easier. Especially when your phone is dead or taking forever to respond. 5. Power bank. One thing that we always travel with, especially on long-haul flights and buses, is our power bank. There is nothing worse than arriving at a new destination with no clue on where to go because your phone just died. Trust me, we have learned from experience. If you don't have a power bank, pack your phone charger at the very least. It would save you having to dig through your bag in the middle of the airport, desperately trying to find an outlet to plug your phone to. 6. Sleep accessories. For long-haul flights, I recommend coming prepared. Earplugs, neck pillows, hoodies, etc. the works. I promise they will come in handy. I saw one woman who unpacked a mini sleep bag which had everything she needed for the entire flight. I was super jealous, especially since most of it weighed almost close to nothing. Definitely worth bringing. 7. Water bottle. If, like me, you can easily guzzle a gallon of water a day, and that's not even in hot countries, then you'll quickly realize how much this is costing both the environment and your wallet. Ditch the reliance on buying bottled water and carry your own reusable water bottle. 8. Hand sanitizer and tissues. No water and or soap in the bathroom. No toilet paper and you're desperate to go? Yeah, you'll be glad you packed those pocket tissues and a mini bottle of hand sanitizer. 9. Entertainment. In this day and age, we get on airplanes thinking that they would all have movies ready for us to watch, but sometimes, you get unlucky as you chance upon those old-school planes with no entertainment systems. Tom was on a flight from the Philippines to London on a plane with no movies. The solution? Bring your own entertainment. Whether it's an iPad, a Kindle, or even just a good travel book, having your own personal entertainment can be a lifesaver for long waits. Don't forget to bring your own headphones. 10. A satisfying snack. The small bag of pretzels and a can of soda handed to you by a friendly flight attendant doesn't always cut it, so pack your own lunch or snack. As long as it's wrapped and a non-liquid, it can go through security. Plus, it's certainly a cheaper alternative to buying a pre-made sandwich at the airport. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow and stay curious.